I think this wall would look amazing with her outfit. Here's what she's wearing. All right, let's get into it. All right, we just did the first outfit. It went amazing. We're about to change into the second outfit now.
The second outfit, wearing it with glass. Ignore the back, that's not gonna show us. Good. Let's go.
How do you feel?
I feel, oh no, wait, I cannot say that. But it's really hot. It's like sweating already.
How's the shoot been so far?
It's good, it's comfortable, like I feel free. I don't feel like tough.
Perfect.
Oh, do this, do that, now.
I'm
It's been nice, really nice. You just go with the flow. You need to have personality for this. But yeah, it's awesome.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so this is my secret spot at the design district. Not many shoots have been done here. I feel like now that I've posted this on YouTube, so many people are gonna come out and shoot here, but have fun with it. I'm here with Nicole. She said that she just feels free and happy doing this shoot with me. I'm literally so excited.
I'm really so excited.
So I'm actually gonna end this part of the video here. Day in the lives, yeah.
What?
Day in the lives.
Oh, day in the lives.
Yeah.